Hello! So I wanted to share with you my very first box of magic. I've played a few times with friends, but now it is time for me to also join the party. So I bought this from eBay for £14, I think, for 1,000 cards, which I thought was about the best deal I could do for my first investment. Voila, let's have a look. What's inside? Lots of bubble wrap. I love bubble wrap. So I've really enjoyed playing white and green and blue so far. So hopefully I'll get a good few of those. What have we got here? So much bubble wrap. Let me see. I've got some nice reds here. Oh, Minotaurs. Minotaurs are fun. A pile of goblins. Black. I haven't had so much fun with black yet, but maybe I just need to get into it, right? Multicolour. I love the elves. I've really had fun with the elves. I'm hoping for a good few elves in here. And also I've really enjoyed griffins and birds, so I'm hoping for a good few of those. Let me see. Lots of blue sorceries. Some more goblins. Oh, there's another elfie to keep me happy. An elf shaman, elvish visionary. I haven't really enjoyed the black so much. Man, that death touch is a killer. I just need to practice, right? Let me see. These are really nice cards. They all seem to be unplayed. Not bad considering the price I paid, right? What have we got? Some creatures. Exemplar of strength, a couple of those. I don't know these. Golden hinds. Have I played with a golden hind before? Maybe no. Lots of reds. I'll have to practice with my reds. Ooh, there's one. That's fun. Double card. What have we got? Oh, there's an uncommon. A crab. Eldrazi crab, vexing scuttler. 4/5. That'll be good. What have we got? Knight of the Stampede. A few Maze Sentinels. Are they good? Should I play with them? Claustrophobia, that seems to be fun. A few Runamox. I mean, that's pretty good, isn't it? That seems a useful card. Let me see. Another uncommon Human Cleric Aerie Worshipper. Ooh, I've enjoyed the rats. I like the rats. Another gold. Got a couple of golds in here, that's nice. And another, oh, this is a uncommon land. Rogue's Passage. More bubble wrap. What have I got? One of these feels a bit softer. I don't know what that is. An artifact. There's an old card. A couple of older cards in here. Kessig Dire Swines. I've got a few of those. Watercourser Creature Elementals. Spiders are pretty fun, aren't they? And a few golds. These golds, I'm doing pretty well with the golds. There's another silver. Oh yeah, I've enjoyed the flying whites. Ooh, isn't he handsome? A goat. I like that artwork. That's handsome. Can you see that? Handsome goat. I like some of the older artworks. Arbor Armament, is that good? instant, put a 1/1 counter on a target creature. That creature gains reach until the end of the turn. That seems pretty useful, doesn't it? I've been hoping for a few more elves, but I guess you can't get lucky in your first box. Not doing too badly though, am I? What do you think? Can I make a good deck out of these? Voltaic Servant, Seismic Shifts, another gold, Notion Rain. What have I got? Another uncommon, Hazardous Conditions. Oh look, another Elvish Visionary. I've been enjoying my elves. Hopefully I've got a few of those in here. I've got quite a few multiples, 3 or 4 of the same. Voltaic Brawler, Human Warrior, uncommon. It's nice. Also some more uncommons here. And a foil! Look at that! A Ramosian Revivalist, Human Rebel Cleric. Return target rebel permanent card with converted mana cost 5 or less from your graveyard to play. Isn't that a nice card? Lucky me. A few more uncommons here. We've got a Vampire. Not doing too badly. Griffins! I've enjoyed my Griffins. A few more multicoloureds. Frenzied Rage, Enchantment Aura, Enchant Creature. Enchanted creature gets 2/1 and has menace. Very nice. Okay, I've still got a few more handfuls in here in this box. I do think the back is a bit outdated, don't you think? But I guess they can't change it now because it would make it too obvious. Spiders. I do have like 3 or 4 of the same kind of card in a go, so that could be useful for making a deck, right? What do you think? Do you like to have singletons or do you like to have multiples in a deck? Hitchclaw Recluse, he's pretty fun. Eldrazi Spy Spawner, cool. Look at that nice graphic there, encased in ice. Couple of vampires. Voila. Healing Grace. Prevent the next 3 damage that would be dealt to any target this turn by a source of your choice and you gain 3 life. That's always a helpful card, isn't it? Okay, I think I'm down to the last 300 maybe in here. Some elementals. I'm really looking forward to making a green deck, maybe green and white. Oh, that's my second foil. Steady Progress instant. Very nice. So I'm looking forward to making a green and white deck probably. What do you think? More multicoloureds. Nice, check him out. Handsome. Snow Creature Lizard Frostwaller. Frostwaller gets 2/2 until the end of the turn. Very nice. Oh, a whole bunch of Dispels. Also a nice graphic. I haven't really played much with the elementals, so I'm looking forward to that. And also the Merfolk, I haven't really played with them either. More whites. I don't know what this is. The Mirari Conjecture. Is this a Planeswalker? No. No. I don't know what that is. I'm going to have to Google. The Mirari Conjecture. Any tips on that? That's a gold card, by the way, a rare. I've got a couple of these mixed purpose. A few turtles in here, a couple of shamans. Wow, lots of multicolours, I think. Okay, and I think I've got another 200 in the box. Let's have a look. any more foils in here. Any more golds. Some blacks, some reds. Narcolepsy, that's nice. Loads of greens. Oh, I think I'm going to have enough for my green deck, don't you think? White mainline, very handsome. Handsome card. I'd like to play more with the cats if I get a chance. Penultimate handful. What have I got? Elf Warrior. I can make an elf deck. Another cat. Initiate's Companion. That's nice. Untap creature or land every time I play. Lifecraft Cavalry, a whole bunch of them. Elf Warriors. Cool. Very nice. Loads of greens. Loads of greens. I'm going to be building my ideal green deck this afternoon. And this is the last handful. I think the box is empty of everything except bubble wrap right now. I'll give that to my brother to play with. He'll be very happy. Okay, we've got a few spiders here. Lots of spiders. Some human wizards. Lots of black vampires. I'm not really a huge fan of the blacks, but I guess I just need to get used to them, right? Some green elementals. Oh, dryads. Black sorceries. Mole beast. Whenever you sacrifice a clue, you gain 3 life. Is that useful? Is that a useful card, do you think? No more foils. Just 2 foils. Ah well. A couple of goblins. A few flying white things. A couple of human warriors. What this guy is a... Oh, another Initiate's Companion. I like the cats. And a few more blues to round it off. Not bad for my first haul. So, any pointers on my first decks? What do you think? Can you give me some help with my first green and white and blue, and then any pointers on how I can fall in love with the red and black decks? Toodles!